What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Nick, and I'm here with
Jay, no gel today. I don't give a shit about our appearance today in this video.
Oh yeah, don't even mind, I have like a stain on my shirt somewhere right there. As you can tell by the title of the video, we're gonna go ahead and solve a Rubik's Cube. So we've never done this before.
We didn't just wake up either, okay? We've been up for a while. It's not that early. We're not alcoholics.
The average person should be able to solve it in 3 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and sit down like we've never sat down before and attempt 3 hours worth of Rubik's Cube. And I was debating on this whole intro. I was like, do we get in bed together? Do I spend the charity? To make it a little bit more fun and more bearable, he's gonna go ahead and start drinking now. And then later on, I'm gonna eat an edible. So then we'll balance out at the same time. So we're gonna go ahead and watch that video, get drunk, get high,
inspired.
Get inspired.
3 hours is a fucking long time. I don't have the patience to do shit Rubik's Cube for 3 hours.
I mean, but you'll be drunk, so.
I mean, even more reason, I'm gonna go wander.
So you can do it in 7 seconds. Look at that. Look at this fucking guy. Boom! 6 seconds. He's even better than the average fast person. They do it with their feet in 9 seconds.
Who do you think will win the world?
And you can't do it in 3 hours? Your casting couch audition starts now? Not that I ever watched one of those videos, but so like, what do you like to do for fun?
Fucking play the Rubik's Cubes.
Dome. I don't even think they have music in those.
Ooh, another one.
The thing about edibles though is like, I'll tend to take them and then forget that I took them. And then when they finally start to hit me, I'm like, shit. I want to show you Jay's process of making his drinks. He keeps spinning it.
I'm trying to get the momentum. I know I'm trying to get the momentum though. It looks silly, but it's really not, because I'm trying to get the momentum. So when it goes on, it's already spinning.
No, it stops every time you let go. Look at that. See?
It's coming, it's coming. It's coming. Here we go. Oh! There we go. Too much. See? You're messing me up. There you go. See? For a big pour.
You're a lot faster. You're stupid.
Usually I do that and I'll get my hand out before. Today didn't work too well. I'll just come home and play.
11 seconds? What a loser. 45 seconds? A minute 50? These guys suck.
You just have Rubik's Cube all over the room. Like, I'm into naked bitches, but I don't have them all over my room.
That's not my choice. He's ugly. Don't put this part in.
Oh, sorry.
Bye-bye.
As soon as we brought you
Start with the hand around. Oh, gross.
Finger. Some bullshit, because he's fucking. I just nonchalant just solving the fuck out of these things.
Okay, you did it! He's looking to make sure.
Hey man, you never know.
night before you go to sleep after that. Every time
Nah, just kidding.
breaks a record.
Get in your teeth.
Start my Rubik's Cube. That's how I mix it up. Dad, let me throw it.
Go over one of these? Fucking boom.
I imagine Felix is going to have to step under pressure. He's only got one podium this weekend, and this would be the first world.
You see a motherfucker choke to death on camera? Oh my god. If you don't die, I'm gonna kill you.
What do you think?
I was like, fuck this little kid. He's finally getting one.
That's not what he said. What do you think?
Fuck this little kid. He's finally getting what's coming at him. And he's finally broke his fucking fingers.
He just broke on the street again. That's why he's laughing. It seems weird, but it's not. Can I explain to you what happened? Can you see what happened? It seems weird, but it's really not, dude. So what happened was I touched the bread. And then I went to touch my shirt. And then I was dusting it off of my shirt. Because it was on my shirt. It was with things going on my shirt and my tummy, I dusted it back onto the bread. It's not weird anymore. 10 minutes.
Woke up, had to do it. Well, I was gone for 10 minutes. And he said I had to find the perfect 10-minute video.
There's no fucking way we're gonna do this in 3 hours. I already lost attention. What the hell?
I mean, I only had one on the other day.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
No.
I just haven't had it.
Stupid.
I think it's either linking up either because my computer's on or because my iPad.
Use that for jacking up. You guys are not in the dark. I mean, it's really not gonna help me.
That's what I'm saying. So
Just let me watch it. And I feel like people that know how to do it don't want to tell people. Huh? The assholes. Like that's all they have. They know. If I let you know, then I'm not as cool.
That's exactly what it is.
It's like a magician, you know what I mean? When they show you how to do the trick. Yeah, that's stupid. Oh.
Done. Yeah. The blue side, the pink side, the yellow side, that side, the orange side.
You just turned it. What did you master during quarantine? Waiting. What did you master during quarantine?
Baby. It's masturbating. I give up. I feel like this stupid fucking toy. Fuck this toy. Fuck all these guys on the video. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Oh.
You wanna watch this little thing?
Look at that. Boom. Back to the same fucking thing I just had. At least I remember that pattern. How long did we do it? At least 40 minutes. You get another drink.
I know, I don't want to.
Like I am.
I guarantee you, Apple.
I don't want to. I'm a quitter. We came up with that in the beginning.
And then turn the top of your left hand like
You lost me, man.
No, just
You
like
lost
that.
me.
I should have drunk a show next shirt. So what I'm thinking is, we need to have the standardized
Rigged.
Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, because it's not easy to move.
Or it's because we're drunk. Or it's because we weren't drunk enough. The worst 3 hours of our lives.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you never miss a post. Comment down below what you want to see us do next. Don't forget to follow Jay on his channel. Till
Like some places you want to see us go. We'll go some places.
next time, deuces. Is it okay if I get your fupa in the...
Who was it, Sean?
Yeah.
I'm wearing a sweater.